Every project we do, we think it's going to be incredibly simple, and then whenever we actually try and do it, there's always an issue. You'll notice at the seam of all of those corrugated roofing panels, it doesn't match perfectly. We bought them 6 inches away from each other at Lowe's, 8 foot and 10 foot. You would expect they'd overlap perfectly. They don't. The 8 foot doesn't match the corrugation of the 10 foot perfectly. Over the 24 inches wide each panel is, the 8 foot panel is about a half an inch more narrow than the 10 foot. But we still celebrated. It's going to be watertight, no doubt about it. We have 2 foot of overlap. Everything we did, we made sure to do it right. This was a heck of a battle one more time, but man, we got it done. Our dad was able to come out with us on this trip, and our work site looks a lot cleaner for it. On this most recent trip, we were able to finish the roof and install the front French doors. On the next trip out, we're going to fill the gaps in between the rafters. We're going to install a rain catchment system to save ourselves trips to and from getting water. We're going to plant out all of the windows. Man, we're getting real close to finishing. It's exciting, and I look forward to bringing you more videos.